As a healthcare professional, you deal with patients in pain every day. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the most common terms relating to pain. Hello, my name's Jo. I'm from Specialist Language Courses. We are the world's leading medical English provider. Make sure you check out our website. We've got a range of courses to help you with your medical English so you can succeed in your career. Be sure to stay to the end of the video. We've got a gift for you. Let's begin. Let's start with an activity. Can you match these adjectives and nouns to make common phrases to describe pain? And let's see the answers. Throbbing pain. I've got a throbbing pain in my foot. Splitting headache. I've had a splitting headache all day. Dull ache. It's not a sharp pain, it's a dull ache. Burning sensation. I have this burning sensation in my chest. And now let's take a look at the medical terms for pain. Can you pronounce these terms? It's a good idea to mark the stress syllable. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Copy the pronunciation. Allodynia. Cardiodynia. Myalgia. Dysesthesia. Hyperalgesia. Neuralgia. Do you know what the terms mean? Let's take a look. Match the terms to their meaning. And here are the answers. Allodynia is an unpleasant sensation, such as pins and needles. Cardiodynia is a pain in the heart muscle. Myalgia is a pain in the muscle or a group of muscles. Dysesthesia is an unpleasant or abnormal sensation. Hyperalgesia is abnormally increased sensitivity to pain. And neuralgia is a stabbing, often severe pain due to irritated or damaged nerve. Now let's move on to pain location. Do you know any medical terms to describe the location of pain? Localized, in one area. Neuropathic, nerve pain. Superficial, on the surface. Generalized, all over or in a large area. Visceral, in internal organs. Somatic, in the skin, tissue or muscle. What questions could you ask to find out the location of pain? Could you tell me where the pain is? Where is the pain? Can you show me where the pain is? Is the pain here? Do you feel any pain when I press here? At the beginning of the video, we looked at some common terms to describe pain, such as throbbing pain. Do you know any more? Let me know in the comments below. And congratulations on getting to the end of the video. We've got a free handout for you. Comment pain below and we'll send you the link. And if you want to know more questions to ask about pain, check out this video here. See you next time. Bye. What's next? Hello, my name is Jo. I'm from Specialist Language Courses. Hello, Do check out our website. We've got a range of courses to help you with your medical English. Whew.